Hey friends, if you encounter the error could not create the Java virtual machine, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to verify your Java installation, and the command is hyphen space Java space hyphen version. So copy it and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the command here and hit enter, and you will get the Java version. The second one is to end the Java task in the task manager if Java is open at the first place. So we will open the task manager and then we will search for Java. Okay, and if we find it in the list, right click on it and select end task. The next solution is to run Java as an administrator. Search for Java in the Windows search bar, right click on Java and then select run as administrator. The last one is to reinstall Java. How do we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps and then scroll down and you'll find Java in the list. You can delete it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.